Is your iPhone feeling sluggish? Or are you constantly getting that annoying storage almost full message? Most people think you're stuck with it, but today I'm showing you how to actually clear up your app cache and data to reclaim your space. Stick around because the second method is the real game changer. Method number 1, the hidden app store reset. First, let's hit the app store for a quick cleanup. Open the app store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and then jump into personalized recommendations. See that button that says clear apps usage data? Tap it, confirm, and do it one more time just to be safe. This wipes the slate clean for how Apple tracks your app behavior. Method number 2 is the deep clean. This is the heavy lifting. If an app is bloated with gigabytes of data, head into Settings, General, iPhone Storage, scroll down to the app that's eating your storage. You'll notice there isn't a clear cache button like on Android, so we're going to use the Offload app trick. Hit offload, confirm it, and then tap reinstall. This deletes the temporary junk files while keeping your important login info and documents safe. It's the closest thing to a fresh start without losing your data. Since Apple doesn't have a clear all button yet, you'll want to do this for your top 3 biggest storage hogs first. If this just saved your storage, hit that like button and subscribe for more.